What have you got for us?
Well, I got some
Plastic.
This turned up during the week. How long have people been waiting for this? What is it?
They told us.
Yeah,
They were very quick to tell us how long that they'd been waiting for pre-orders.
that's right.
But
It's been a long time coming.
I
And
want to
this
say at least
is-
18 months it's been on pre-order.
That's right. So this is the brand new Airfix 124 scale, which is pretty big for an aircraft. This is a Spitfire Mk.IX.
All new.
All new.
All new.
All new.
It's an old plane. It's not a
So-
new model of plane.
It's one of the
What?
designed in England and manufactured in England Airfixes, which is a rarity.
What do you mean? It's an
Recently.
English kit.
It's actually made in England now. This is the first one out of the new lot.
Shut the front gate.
That could have been a reason for the delays as well.
You can't blame the English for everything.
Oh,
Bench, come
sorry.
on.
Oh, they're at fault for a lot of things. Why not just give them everything?
And they just blame Brexit.
That's it.
Anyway,
But it's a really nice kit. And
made in England.
Made in England. Yeah.
I'm gobsmacked. Can you see it? I am
Yeah.
gobsmacked.
And I guess they're sort of clever now too. These boxes, like early 24 scale kits, were in huge boxes, which were a bit of a logistical nightmare to ship. So they're in compact boxes, but it's quite a bit thicker.
It's not much bigger than a shoebox.
You got big shoes.
You know what they say about
The clown
blokes? You know what they say about blokes with big shoes?
Big feet.
Big socks.
Oh. Let's have a quick look at it. So it's beautiful. Mk.IX. So
Well-
what is the Mk.IX?
I don't want to be disrespectful to English, but I'm really disappointed now.
What are you disappointed about?
Well, it probably won't fit together very well.
No, it will. It will. It
Have you
actually took a
ever
long
worked
time.
on a Land Rover or MG or something?
Oh, it took a long time.
Holy moly.
Yeah. Let's go to the
Look
top
at
camera,
this.
eh?
Got a bit of butcher's paper in there.
Yeah. It's been.
Bit
Well,
of,
we can see the hand
what hand?
quality of the hand packing.
What?
Am I out of focus there? There we go. Oh,
What? We're rocking. Why is it
look
rocking?
at- oh, that's because
It's dingly dangly.
Look at that.
I'm looking.
All right. So
What are you
this
showing
is-
me?
So as soon as you open the box, you're greeted with the bottom of the wing. And then there's some of this butcher's paper to separate some of the components. Here's the top of the
Wow.
wing.
That's environmentally friendly.
It is. Okay, but since we've got this,
It's funny that they're following EU rules.
oh, why did you think they wouldn't follow them?
Well, they're not in the EU.
Well, not anymore.
No.
Look at all this detail here.
Yeah. You could count rivets.
You could quite easily.
You'd probably stick
beautiful
some on,
that.
wouldn't you?
That's beautiful.
Would you fill those holes?
I'll fill them all and make it totally smooth because more aerodynamic. No, you leave them on there and you put a wash through it so you can see all these individual rivets. And if I move
So
it
do you put
across-
a wash on after you paint it or before?
after. Well, some people will actually do black, what they call, what do they call it again? It's on the tip of my tongue, but I've forgotten. Pre-shading.
Pre-shading.
Because what happens is, if this is a light color, because this will probably be a light blue, right?
I'm pre-shady.
You pre-shade all these lines
Mhm.
in black, and then when you overcoat it with the light blue, you can still see the tonal difference. So it makes it quite three-dimensional. And then post-shading is when you do the wash, because that's after. So you can do both of those methods. You can see how clean this all is. Look at all those fine rivets. How good is it? It's a big kit.
It's the best thing to come out of
Big kit.
England.
Let's pull
It's
that
the
out.
best thing to come out of England since the new king,
King, what have we got here?
King Chuck.
This is the top of the wings. You see all these
How can you
panels.
tell?
How? Because it's got the access panels for the machine guns and the cannons. And look at the spar here. It's a wing spar to keep it all together. And again, it's got the really fine
There's
rivets in it.
rivets on the wing spar.
Yeah.
Isn't that hidden?
No, I think certain parts you'll see because of
Okay.
the undercarriage. All right. And then when we take away this one, boom, we've got fuselage. And you see how the fuselage stops here? Because this has got full engine detail. It's quite amazing.
What do you mean? In the kit?
It's got full engine detail.
Oh, I love a good engine.
You do, don't you?
I
So this would be a really...
I just build the engine and throw the plane away.
Now, I'm trying to show you something that's quite impressive here, if I can get my focus properly.
What are you going to show me?
Probably helps if I
I'm
have my
sitting-
glasses on.
Sitting on the edge of my seat.
Are you? Now, let me see
Hmm.
if I get the angle right. You probably see the pillowing there already, right? See how these panels look pillowed?
Yep.
Because they are. That's part of the sort of stressed surface look. And just little fine details like that.
Really separate it, huh?
Yeah, for sure. because that sort of stuff makes such a difference when looking at a big model like this. You can just see the pillowing across here.
And I don't know what you call it, but the mold finish actually isn't glossy.
No,
It's like a
it's
beautiful
It's got a-
textured or matte finish. It looks like you could paint it straight away,
That's right.
and it's like not going to be too shiny.
No, that's right. How beautiful is it? So I'm not going to show you all the rest of it because
Hey.
I'm going to do a full unboxing at a later stage.
Aren't you going to show me the engine?
Oh, you want to see the engine? Well, let's find
That's what I come here for.
Oh, is it?
Oh,
It's a bit of cowling.
oh, there's some sprues.
There's the superchargers.
This is going to take you an awful long time to unbox.
It will.
Are you going to
Where's
have
the
it ready?
engine?
Are you going to have it
Oh, there
ready
it
for
is.
Model Expo 2023?
2030.
2023.
All right. So
How long have
here
we got?
looks
About 6 weeks.
like- Yeah.
Yeah, we've
It's only
got.
about less than a month to Model Expo. So if you're
That's
going
only-
to Model Expo, make sure you get all your stuff ready. There's the engine mounts here.
The friends up the street would say there's only one sleep.
It's a bit hard for everyone to see. There's a bit of reflection.
All right, all right.
I'm going to be taking this all apart.
Oh, you just
Just
want
showing
to tease. You
Please.
just want to tease me.
I love doing a bit of it.
You're going to make me watch the whole big long video.
Yeah, you love doing that. I know you say you don't.
Well, that's
but
why I
know you
like
do love
doing
it.
them here, so I don't have to watch them.
Oh, really?
That's
So
great.
that's beautiful.
Look at the butcher's paper.
Yeah, that's nice. Nice touch.
You could use it for masking.
Oh, good.
That is
So that's the
so cool.
Spitfire Mk.IX. So the Spitfire Mk.IX was the version that was produced that had much higher power in the engine,
Oh.
had the cannons in the wings, and this was to combat the much faster Focke-Wulf FW190 that was being used by the German Luftwaffe at the time. So the Spitfires kept on getting upgraded throughout the war.
Why was the Focke-Wulf so good?
Just had really high-powered engine. It was fast and maneuverable.
Oh, I love a high-powered
So
engine.
Spitfires were great. The Mark 1s were great all the time. So at that time, there were BF-109s, and they matched that with the Hurricanes. But as things got better, they needed something better again. And so there you go, Mk.IX.
Is that the last?
No,
Oh,
they went into like the Mark 24. So they
Oh,
kept on
wow.
developing through the war. So this is like 1942.
so there's plenty of leg room still in this kit,
Yeah, leg room.
you know, to have more additions.
Oh, yeah, fair enough.
I like
Yeah,
it.
I would say so.